Welcome. In front of me is the Motorola Edge 50 Neo, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen like so to bring down your toggles, and then swipe that once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the screen recording toggle, which should be visible on one of the pages. For me, it is on the last one, right over here. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. This brings up a window letting you choose what kind of audio will be recorded. If the screen recording will also utilize the front-facing selfie cam, and also you can enable the touches on the screen, so it will record a semi-transparent grayed out wherever your finger was pressing the display. I'm going to enable that just so you can see how that looks like. You have a countdown. So once you press on the red square, this will automatically save your screen recording to your photos or gallery application, whatever we have right here. It looks like we have photos. And you can navigate to collections, and in collections you will find, see, is it screenshots? Nope. So unfortunately it looks like it's going to be probably under videos, right? Nope. Trying to find where that is. Oh, there we go. So actually, I'm just blind. We actually have a screen recording album, which I didn't see. So in that album, obviously you'll find only screen recordings. Makes it neat and organized if you're trying to come back to your screen recordings later on. But there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.